This is Bobby Thompson with Crochet Guru, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet these adorable pocket hug keychains. For the keychains, you will need a number 4 worsted weight yarn, any color of your choice. I'm using a light raspberry from Red Heart. You will also need a 7mm hook, a yarn needle to sew on the tail ends, a pair of yarn scissors, some keychains. To attach the keychains, you will need 2 pairs of pliers. For this video, I'm using a pair of needle nose pliers and some round nose pliers, and these actually worked really great. You will also need some paper cardstock and a pair of scissors to cut the cardstock. And last but not least, you will need some adhesive glue dots. These are actually called glue points, but they're the same thing. And I will put some links in the description box below, so that way you'll know exactly what I'm using and where I got it. And before I get started, if you would like to print out this pattern to make it easier for you to follow along with me, I will make sure to leave a link to my pattern in the description box also. Okay, to get started, we're going to make the magic circle. Now, I'm not going to show you how to make the magic circle in this video because I have a whole separate video for that, and I will put that in the description box also. So make the magic circle. We're going to chain 2 after you do that. So there's 1 and 2 chains. Now we're going to place 3 triple crochets into the circle. So to triple crochet, we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook 2 times. We're going to insert the hook into the magic circle, yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the circle. There will now be 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, and that will make your first triple crochet. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit faster now. Okay, so 2 more triple crochets. So this is going to be number 2 triple crochet. We're going to make 1 more triple crochet into this magic circle. So that will be a total of 3 triple crochets altogether. Now we're going to place 4 double crochets into the circle. So here's the first double crochet. 2, 3, and 4 double crochets. Now we're going to place 1 more triple crochet into that circle. Now I'm going to slow down just a little bit while I'm making this triple for anyone who is new to this stitch. Okay, so now we're going to place 4 more double crochets into the circle. So there's 1. So the video messed up just a little bit right here, but that is 2 double crochets. This will be 3, and this will be 4. Okay, so now we're going to place 3 triple crochets into the circle. So that's 1 triple. This will be 2. And this will be 3. Oh, I screwed up, so I'm going to go ahead and place that 3 in again. Now to finish off, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch into the circle. Okay, so grab your yarn scissors and cut the yarn, leaving about 5 or 6 inches left for weaving. And remember to fasten off, grab that tail end and pull it all the way through the loop on your hook. To pull the circle closed, pull the other tail end and pull it tightly so that the circle will close up. Use your yarn needle to weave in the tail ends. And make sure you're weaving in both of the tail ends. Now after you get done weaving those ends, grab your scissors and cut the rest of the tail ends off. Okay, cool, now it's time to grab out one of the keychains. Use both sets of pliers to open up the keychain. Make sure there's enough space in between so that you can get your heart into the keychain. Use one of the sharp ends on the chain and squeeze it under some of the yarn, and make sure you get it right into the middle of your heart so that it lays nicely. Now, if you don't like this method of using the pliers, you can always use a needle and thread to sew the keychain onto your heart. I actually tried it, but I didn't personally love it because it just took too long for me. But if you don't love using the pliers, you might like that way better. So for the quote cards, now you can make your own quote cards, or you can go to my Etsy shop and purchase my keychain quote cards for a small price. I will put my Etsy shop link in the description box for you to go and check out. Just make sure to use cardstock paper for your cards and get a good pair of paper scissors for cutting. Cardstock paper is the best because it is sturdy enough to hold the little crocheted heart into place without ripping. Okay, so I'm going to show you how cool these little sticky dots are, and they are perfect for holding down the crocheted heart and the keychain. Okay, so how I do this, I just peel off the 2 sticky dots, just 2 of them, and I put one behind my keychain, the top of the keychain, and one right behind the crocheted heart. Now you don't have to worry about the dot ruining the heart because it peels off of it just fine. Okay, so now we're just going to place the keychain right on top of that quote card. And I'm pretty happy about how these turned out, and I can't wait to give them away to friends for Valentine's Day. I hope you found my video helpful, and I also hope you like my channel enough to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a great day.